Hello everyone, today I've got one of the most incredible phone of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This device blends luxury design with futuristic tech, and it's about to redefine how we think about smartphones. In today's video, I'll unboxing together, go over the space, and share my first impression. Stick around to the end, I've got a little surprise waiting for you. Okay, let's start. And now we will unboxing. It's incredible. We have the manual here. And also we have this pen, and we have cable USB-C and quick start guide manual. And here we are, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. You see, it's cool. Yes, it's not heavy, it's slim. Here we are, let's start. In this video, I share my unboxing experience of the stunning Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, one of the most exciting phones of the 2025. Join me as I explore the foldable design, key features, and what's inside the box. Is it worth the price? Does it totally offer something different? I answer all of them and more. And now, here we are. Oh, it's incredible. So we will choose the language. The English United Kingdom, and the license. Is it worth the price? Does it truly offer something different? I'll answer all that and more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's our first look at the Samsung Z Fold. $7. What a stunning price of teach. And the design is incredible, and experience so far feels totally unique. Let me know in the comment, are you considering buy it? Got a question about its features? And support the channel. With like and subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video.